Move car name not said us. Go our your school. Needed you please my beloved Cohen. I have just returned with my father from the wedding agreement and I am filled with excitement and encapations. Now my heart deserves to be reunited with you and I long to know when you will bleed Dubai with your lovely princess. When I can expected you are visited, my love, I'll learn to hold you close and show you the wonders of the cities. Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, the Urban Khalifa. All these and more wait for your arrival. Promise to make you are visiting and unfortunately experiencing on that will be leaves. You will with crashed memories, so my love, tell me when you will be. You come to Dubai will in soon. I hope so far every day without you feels like an eternity. You are always Princess Faza. Good morning, my love. As the sun soars higher in the sky, I want to make a moment to remind you how truly special you are to me. Waking each day with the thought of you brings a warmth of to me. Heart that no sunrise could reply still cannot but smile as I picture your beautiful face, the sparkle in your eyes. Even if the still nestling in the soft embrace of your today's brand new day filled with endless possibilities. I hope you steps into with confidence, knowing that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to wait ever. Challenge come your way. Remember what I am always here carrying you now, believing in you wholeheartedly. You have in a amazing abilities to light up the world around you, and I have no doubt you all make this day shine bright. Take a moment for yourself today to breathe deeply and savor the little things whatever there it is. The aroma of your favorite coffee, the sound of your favorite songs, or quick chat with a friend. Let those moments fill with your joy and deserves every bite of happiness that comes your way. I wish you I could be there to share this morning with you, to wrap my arms around you and savor the beauty of the day together, united. Then now that you are always in my heart, I am grateful for each moment we share and crush all the memories we created together. My today bring you closer to your dreams, fill you with positivities and reminding you of how loved you are. Whenever you feel a little depth creeping in, just remember I am here holding your hand in spirit, encouraging you are reach for the star. Have a wonderful and fulfilling day, my darling. I cannot wait to hear all about it later. Sending you all my love and the biggest hug across the meals. With all my heart. My love, how do I like? Look, my love, I am missing you so much because I being waiting for you over here, but I believe that every very soon's here. I cannot wait to see my beautiful angle. If you oh, take my hand and take my toy where your heart. I want to feel what it's like to love like you. You are beautiful woman of my life. You took it all from me. I took it all from you. So today we can blackmail each other. What do you really again in blocking me to you think is the best, but you do not know that The more you block me, the more I hate you, and I don't really know how I feel when you block me. But what I to tell you is once you block me, no, I can never love you anymore because you have broken my heart. Much cannot continue this, okay? You are my sunshine on a cloud day, my ray of light when everything feels dark. You are freshness alone makes everything better. You will never be the give my heart says, and I will never be the girl you want to me to be. Goodbye, you are my happiness. My heart deserves my every lasting flame that one makes my heart bites. First, my love and queen, I cannot think for a second without you in my mind. I crash you, precious, for a beauty. I love you, on my coin. I know that is this is late to take in, but I want to you to know that I am here for you. Always, I will supporting every step of the way, and I will be your side, Evie, navigating this captured in our lives.